Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Kathleen Reddington with your Asset Management Report. Today is Monday, January 5th, 2009. Maryland-based Calvert has added a government investment fund to its portfolio. The Business Journal reports that the new fund's objective is to provide a high level of current income in debt securities of U.S. government or its agencies. The fund, offering a low credit risk alternative for fixed income investors, is subject to interest rate and prepayment risks. Staying with asset management news, Yale University, the second wealthiest educational institution in the United States, is looking at new investment options such as distressed debt. Bloomberg News reports that the Ivy League school is pursuing a recovery strategy as its endowment dropped $5.9 billion in 6 months. The university would look at anything from bank loans to investment-grade bonds. And in more asset management news, UK union leaders have called on the government to restore the link between pensions and earnings sooner than 2012. The Guardian reports that the link had been removed in 1980 and the ministers have pledged to restore it in 2012, but union leaders want it done immediately. Pensions are linked to September retail price index of previous years. Since the index was at a high of 5% in September 2008, pensioners are expecting an increase in their pensions the coming year. However, inflation could be close to zero in September 2009, leaving pensioners with hardly any increase in 2010. And in other asset management news, Aberdeen Asset Management hopes to bolster its Australian presence after a $532 million deal with Credit Suisse for a share of its global investor business. The Australian reports that in return, Credit Suisse will receive a 24.97% stake in Aberdeen and a seat on its board. And that rounds out today's Asset Management Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Asset Management channel online, read the full stories and the latest developments.